Hey guys, what's going on? So, almost a month ago, I made a really silly, funny, impromptu song in Chinese, and I posted that song on Instagram. I think a few days later, I also put it on my Facebook page. If you aren't following those places, make sure that you do. Basically, I got a lot of good response, and one of the guy even said that you should finish the song. So that's basically what I did. The song is done, and I thought I should sing it for you guys. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna begin. 上周末我去了那个西屋，那些我只会的这很好奇，从来没有想过我会造成那么多痛苦，的我痛苦，我肚子疼，我肚子疼，我把这归咎于我在这边。西场响起的曲目，从来没有想过我会造成那么多痛苦，多痛苦，我肚子疼。肚子疼，你知道他说我在哪里？我不能再拿着它，拿着它，从来没有想过我会造成那么多痛苦，多痛苦，我肚子疼，我肚子疼，我肚子疼。Yeah, guys, so that was basically the song. Hope you enjoyed it, found it funny, got something out of it. I think it's a fun way to, uh, get used to with the language, with the words, learn them, and just have fun with the language, really. I would really love to know if you guys do something of the same nature. Do let me know what you thought about the song. I'm pretty sure like I've made mistakes, especially with the how things are said. Just 2 days back, I actually read a few sentences to a friend, and they were saying that you cannot really say it this way. But I don't know. We didn't have really much time to talk so that he can correct me. So I know there are issues with the song, and I'm gonna keep improving this. So if you notice anything, do let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, so this is it for now, and yeah, bye. See ya.